मैं अपने बीएलए के भाइयों को कह रहा हूं कि इससे बेहतरीन मौका तुम्हें नहीं मिला। जो बलोच लिबरेशन आर्मी के मेरे भाई हैं, जो पश्तून मेरे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स हैं, जो बलोच फ्रीडम फाइटर्स हैं, ये आपके लिए गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है। ठोको इनको पकड़ पकड़ के, और सिर्फ बलोचिस्तान में।
In a brazen act of terrorism orchestrated by India's proxy, the Balochistan Liberation Army, BLA, ambushed the Jaffa Express on March 11, 2025 in Balochistan's Bolan Pass. With over 440 passengers aboard, including civilians and military personnel, the train was derailed by a bomb blast. The terrorists seized the train, took hostages and placed suicide bombers among them while communicating with foreign handlers via satellite phones. They brutally executed 26 and injured 50 before Pakistani forces launched Operation Green Bolan. In a swift and surgical response, snipers took out the bombers, troops cleared the train, rescued 354 hostages and eliminated 33 terrorists.
पाकिस्तानियों, ये जो ट्वीट है ना मेरा, इसको अपने माथे पे टैटू कर लेना कि जब सवेरे उठ के बाथरूम के शीशे में अपनी शक्ल देखो ना, तुम्हें ये पता होना चाहिए कि द रोड टू पीस इन बलूचिस्तान पासेस थ्रू कश्मीर। याद रखना, दिस ट्वीट विल हॉन्ट यू, और ये बार बार होगा, बार बार होगा, बार बार होगा।
And most recently, on May 21st, 2025, a devastating bombing targeted a school bus in Kuzdar, Balochistan, resulting in the tragic deaths of 8 students and injuring over 51 others, predominantly children. This heinous act underscores the persistent threat posed by the same Indian-backed separatist group, the Balochistan Liberation Army. The BLA, in particular, has been at the forefront of this insurgency, and evidence exposes this nexus between Indian intelligence agencies and BLA operatives. This was another attack on innocent Pakistani citizens, and particularly children in school uniforms, similar to 2014 attack on Army Public School Peshawar, when 132 children lost their lives to Indian-sponsored violence. On 25th April 2025, an Indian-sponsored terrorist was apprehended in Jhelum, followed by the largest fleet of Indian-backed terrorists attempting to infiltrate Pakistan on 25th to 26th April. 71 terrorists were eliminated. After the success of Operation Bunyan-Marsus, India intensified its proxy warfare on the Western Front.
Indian subconventional operations in Balochistan. So I don't think there's a question of India engaging in subconventional operations. India should do more of this and less of what we just saw.
On 9th and 10th May, Indian-sponsored terrorists launched 33 coordinated attacks across Balochistan. The Pakistan Army swiftly responded, killing 5 and apprehending 22. Even in the year 2024, the same nexus targeted innocent civilians, which included coal miners, labourers, barbers and passengers. These unprecedented, synchronized strikes expose direct terrorist collaboration with India and RAW. In the meantime, Indian media was busy in glorifying Baloch terrorists.
BLA ये दावा कर रहा, BLA का दावा है पूरे बलूचिस्तान पर उनका कब्जा हो चुका है।